Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you all how I made this twist using Brazilian wool. So the first thing I'm going to do is to section my hair, and I'm going to place edge control just so that that area can be properly sectioned and there is no interference from anywhere. Next up, I'm going to pick up my Brazilian wool and I'll wrap the wool around my hair twice. Next up, I'm going to braid 3 times before splitting my natural hair into the Brazilian wool, that's into 2, and then twist. So I'm just going to twist everything down, and then at any point where I need extra hair, like if I want the length of my hair to be like really long, I'm going to go ahead to add the wool again and then just continue twisting. So as you're twisting, make sure that your twist is really tight. So when I get to the end, I am going to knot it 4 times, but I'll knot twice and then face the opposite direction of the area where I knotted, and then knot twice again, making it 4 times because I want everything to be secured. This is Brazilian wool. This is not any other extension that is just going to stay without you knotting it like the passion twist extension. This is Brazilian wool, so you need to make sure that you knot properly so that your hair does not unravel. So this is just me wrapping the root of my hair, and then I'm going to braid. So I wrapped the root of my hair twice like I said before, and then I braided about 3 to 4 times. Now I'm going to split my natural hair into the Brazilian wool, that's into 2 like this, and then I'm just going to continue twisting. So at any point where you know you need extra hair, like extra hair extension, make sure that you go in with it and then twist downwards. When you get to the middle of the hair where you have twisted and you feel you need more hair extension for the length, then pick your Brazilian wool again and then twist. So like I said before, make sure that your twist is really tight before you go ahead to knot the roots of your hair. So I'm just going to let you guys to enjoy the rest of this video until it is necessary for me to come in again. Before I go, if you're watching my video for the first time and if this video helps you in any way at all, please don't forget to support your girl by hitting the subscribe button and like and share. Thank you all so much. So guys, this is just about the end of this tutorial, and I am already loving this hair. If you are in Nigeria, you will know that it's not easy getting hair extensions like the normal attach that we use. We call them attachments. It's really not easy. So this is like a getaway. Like, this is so beautiful. You can easily go ahead to use your Brazilian wool and achieve this. Is really cost effective. For me, I used about 9 Brazilian wools to achieve this, which wasn't really expensive compared to the other extensions that we usually use. So if you want something really cost effective and will still come out nice, this is the best. Like, this is so beautiful and I'm loving it already. So guys, I'm going to link some of my previous videos to this particular one so that you guys can see. Like, I have lots of amazing videos for you guys: makeup, hair, how to tie your head wraps. I'm going to link some of them to this particular one. So this is the last strand, and I'm just knotting it so that it can be secured and so that it doesn't unravel. So once you're done, you want to make sure that you cut the ends. I'm not going to curl up the ends, I'm just going to cut that up because that was not the initial plan. The initial plan was not to curl it up. So I'm going to pick up a scissors and then cut the ends, make sure that it's really neat. So once I'm done cutting the ends, I'm going to pick up my edge control from Kaima, and I'm just going to lay my edges properly so that it looks good and so that I look fine. So right now I'm going to pick up my mousse from above, and I'm just going to apply that on my hair like this, and then use my hand to rub that into my hair. This is just so that my natural hair does not really come out like obvious. There are no flyovers here and there. And I'm going to pick up this hairspray again from above and then just spray that all over my hair. I don't know why I lost that clip, but I sprayed that all over my hair. And I also use my body perfume because I wanted my hair to scent. I used my body perfume all over my hair and it really scented nice and felt good. So I'm just going to pick up a lighter right now and burn the ends of my hair so that it looks neat and so that it's more secured that way. So this is what we have right now, guys. I so much love this hair and I'm actually glad that I was able to do this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. These are the ways that you could actually style this hair, simple but cute at the same time. Thank you all for watching this video. If this video helps you in any way, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. Please don't forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I love you all so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.